Namaste and good evening to all, and a very warm welcome. It is with immense pride and a heartful joy that I, Soumita, take this opportunity to welcome you all to this grand, prestigious, the 12th edition of the Bharat Gaurav Award ceremony to be held at the most iconic venue, British Parliament in London, the seats of democracy and government of the United Kingdom. The Bharat Gaurav Award is the highest international award for Indians, a tribute to those remarkable individuals who have carried the essence of Indian culture, excellence, and contribution to the global stage. This evening is just not an award ceremony, it is a celebration of Indian heritage, a tribute to preservance and a unifying movement for achievers across the continents. We are truly honored and privileged to be joined by several distinguished guests tonight, eminent parliamentaries and thought leaders, cultural ambassadors, global influencers, and most importantly, the shining stars of tonight are awardees.
Today's celebration of vision, values, and victories. The Bharat Gaurav Awards honor those exceptional individuals who, through their work, have brought pride to the name of India across the globe. These are people who have not only excelled in their professions but have carried the spirit of India with them, be it through culture, service, innovation, or leadership. भारत गौरव अवार्ड जिनसे गौरवान्वित होता है वो पांचों इधर भी बैठे हैं। वीरेंद्र शर्मा साहब, लवेंदु जी मिश्रा, सुनील चोपड़ा साहब, शुक्ला साहब और सुरेश जी, इन्होंने अपने व्यक्तित्व से, अपने कामों से, अपनी उपलब्धियों से भारत को गौरवान्वित किया है और जिनको अवार्ड मिलने जा रहा है उनमें से कुछ से मैं व्यक्तिगत रूप से परिचित हूँ। श्रीमती किरण अग्रवाल जी, इन्होंने, इनके परिवार ने अपनी उद्यमशीलता, अपनी कर्मठता और अपने विजन से भारत का नाम रोशन किया है। मनोज बुंसेर जी, आपने भारत के लोगों की धड़कनों को सुना है और उनको शब्दों में पिरोया है। मैं नहीं कह सकता कि आप शायर बनेंगे, लेकिन एक चीज़ आप याद रखें, मेरा दावा है कि आप शायर से किसी भी सूरत में कम नहीं रहेंगे। उसके बाद मैं जिनसे थोड़ा बहुत परिचित हूँ, इसलिए मैं कहना चाहूँगा आशीष मित्तल एक ऐसे युवा उद्यमशील है जिन्होंने अपनी प्रतिभा के बल पे एक ऐसा टेक्नोलॉजी की दृष्टि से किया है जो आने वाले समय में भारत इन पे गौरव करेगा। ये आगे बढ़ेंगे, बहुत आगे बढ़ेंगे, ऐसी मुझे उम्मीद है। ऐसे ही मुझे जो अपने जसवंतगढ़ से शारदा जी और तोष्णीवाल जी हैं, चेन्नई रहने वाले प्रवीण चंदन जी, और ये इनके बारे में, इनके कामों के बारे में, चौहान साहब के बारे में, ये वो सब लोग हैं, संजना जी, रिंकू जी, रिंजू जी, जिन्होंने अपने कामों से, अपनी पर्सनैलिटी से भारत का पूरे विश्व में नाम बढ़ाने का सिलसिला जारी है और ये जारी रहेगा इसी तरह से। और आज ये भारत गौरव अवार्ड आप लोगों से गौरवान्वित हो रहा है। मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं आपको स्पेशल रूप से। Remember, my friends, few things will never go out of fashion, like having empathy and being a giver without expectation. The ego is the big bottleneck. Most vibrant communities are organic and have the public good at heart. A profit agenda corrupts it always. On these values and principles, Sanskriti Yuva Sanstha is working. The grand initiative is led by Sanskriti Yuva Sansthan, a cultural and social organization committed to honoring Indian excellence across the world, founded on the principles of unity, heritage, and global harmony. Sanskriti Yuva Sanstha has organized numerous prestigious events from the United Nations in New York to the Senate of France, and now once again here at the British Parliament. In this noisy global stage, India needs its flag bearers to make her voice heard. It is heartening to know that Sanskriti Yuva Sanstha, in the leadership of Pandit Suresh Mishra, works tirelessly at ground level to promote Indian culture, and youth empowerment. Initiatives like Jaipur Marathon, World Health Festival, and several other campaigns are testament to that commitment. The Bharat Gaurav Award is not just an occasion, it is part of a mission to connect India with the world. On behalf of Sanskriti Yuva Sanstha and our entire organizing team, I thank you all for being here to witness and celebrate this unforgettable evening. Let us now begin the special ceremony where we honor those who have made India proud on the global stage. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Dhanyawad.
Good evening, everyone. It's a great honor and privilege to be here in front of such a lovely gathering, and a lot of guests have come from India, especially from Jaipur, one of my favorite cities, which I visited when हमारे मिश्रा जी की बेटी की शादी थी. I was really attended that wedding. It was very great honor to be there. और जो भी लोग आज अवार्ड जीत रहे हैं उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई हो, और जो नहीं आज जीत पाए उनसे प्रे करता हूँ, उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि काम ज़्यादा कीजिए, अच्छा काम कीजिए, ताकि मिश्रा जी आपको दोबारा अवार्ड दे पाएँ. और इट्स ए ग्रेट ऑनर इन स्पीकिंग एंड सिटिंग इन वेरी डिस्टिंग्विश्ड गेस्ट. हमारे वीरेंद्र शर्मा जी यहाँ पर हैं, हमारे XMP, और हमारे वेरी talented, very young person, and who is going to grow more and more into our labor politics policy, Mr. Mishra ji. और मिश्रा जी दूसरे यहाँ हैं जिन्होंने सब कुछ ऑर्गेनाइज किया. शुक्ला जी हैं, शर्मा जी हैं, और जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं उन सबको मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि आपने मुझे मौका दिया, यहाँ बुलाया, सम्मान किया, मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया. एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
But can I congratulate all the winners? Can I congratulate their family? It's quite a special year for the UK-India relationship, and all of you are a fantastic example of what a partnership between India and UK does. I didn't realize how many people from Rajasthan are part of this group, but it's fantastic to see people from all parts of India here, and even people from outside of India here. So I won't... I have my constituency is about 200 miles from here, and I'm expected on a school visit tomorrow morning. So I'll be heading off shortly. But it's a pleasure to host this, and I'm so glad that we have Baroness Verma here from the Conservative Party and Sharma ji from the Labour Party, and it's a cross-party event. It's lovely to meet some of you for the first time. Some of you I have met previously. But once again, welcome to Parliament, and it's great to see you. Thank you.
नमस्कार. भारत गौरव सम्मान से सम्मानित किए गए भारत के गौरव संस्कृति संस्था के द्वारा देश में जिन लोगों ने भारत को गौरवान्वित करने का काम किया है, मैं इस मंच के माध्यम से सबसे पहले जिन लोगों को भारत गौरव अवार्ड सम्मान पुरस्कार प्राप्त हुआ है, आप सभी का हृदय से हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन करता हूं. मंच पर उपस्थित हम सबके ज्येष्ठ, श्रेष्ठ और वरिष्ठ 5 बार के यहाँ के लोकसभा के सदस्य परम माननीय श्री वीरेंद्र शर्मा जी, अपनी व्यस्तता के कारण अभी तुरंत यहाँ से प्रस्थान करने वाले यहाँ के मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट नावेंदु मिश्रा जी, और इस मंच पर उपस्थित बारनेस सैंडी वर्मा जी, लॉर्ड रेमी रेंजर जी, मेयर सुनील चोपड़ा जी, माननीय श्री सुरेश मिश्रा जी जो इस कार्यक्रम की प्राण सत्ता हैं, और विशेष रूप से इस कार्यक्रम में जिन्हें भारत गौरव सम्मान से सम्मानित किया गया है, माननीय किरण अनिल अग्रवाल जी, मनोज मुंसिर जी, और भारत में बहुत तेज़ी से आगे बढ़ रहे व्यवसायिक युवा तुर्क आशीष मित्तल जी, और उपस्थित देवियों और सज्जनों. भारत गौरव सम्मान एक ऐसा सम्मान है जिन्हें संस्कृति युवा संस्था के द्वारा ऐसे लोग जिन्होंने अपने अपने क्षेत्रों में कुछ विशेष कार्य किया है, उनको सम्मानित करने का कार्य किया जाता है। आज की वर्तमान परिस्थिति में इस ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट के सभागार में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि भारत क्या है, भारत का गौरव क्या है। भारत, भा माने ज्ञान का प्रकाश और रत माने जो उसमें रत है, यानी जो ज्ञान के प्रकाश में रत है, वो भारत है और उस भारत के आप लोग गौरव है। आप सभी का फिर से हम सम्मान करते हैं। भारत एक ऐसा देश है जहाँ पर सब में प्रेम भाव युक्त मानव जाति को आत्म आनंद से भरना ही भारत होना है। स्व का ज्ञान, स्व की पहचान और दलगत विचारों से ऊपर उठकर सबका सम्मान, यही आनंद है भारत का और यही स्वभाव है भारत का। आप सब लोग इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित हुए और आप लोगों का सम्मान करते हुए मुझे भी आनंद की अनुभूति हो रही है, क्योंकि कार्यक्रम की समय की भी अपनी एक मर्यादा है। इसलिए आप सभी को पुनः मैं एक बार जिन भी लोगों को भारत गौरव सम्मान प्राप्त हुआ है, उनको अपनी तरफ से हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ, शुभकामना देता हूँ और संस्कृति युवा संस्था की तरफ से इस कार्यक्रम की जो नाभिकीय सत्ता हैं, जिन्होंने इस कार्यक्रम का पूरा ताना बाना बुना है, सौम्यता मिश्रा को मैं विशेष रूप से अपना आभार देता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
First of all, good evening and congratulations to every single awardee. It is just great honour to see so many wonderful, esteemed guests here celebrating such phenomenal people who are so inspirational. Thank you so very much for your contributions, not just to your country, but to the world for what you are doing. So thank you to all of our awardees today for the Bharat Gaurav Awards. And to my brothers, Virinderji, I call him my big brother. He's always been there to look out for me, even though we don't share our politics. To my brother Suresh, to my brother-in-law, Sunil Chopra ji, Councillor Chopra ji, and to all well-known people that I have the pleasure of knowing, and that's why I enjoy coming here. I want to also give a special shout out to Dr. Manish Chauhan from the British Army. Because this is one man you want to be proud of. It's because he's actually telling the story of all of the soldiers that served during the World Wars 1 and 2. And they're from the Indian community. So please look out for what he's writing because it's amazing. And the reason why this relationship is so important is because it's historical. It goes a long way back. And as we sit and enjoy being in the Houses of Parliament, it was less than a century ago that we were able to do this. So let us celebrate what we've achieved. I started as president and founder of the All Parliamentary Group for India UK because there was no such thing that existed that brought India and UK together. And I think that whether it's trade, investment, cultural, or ties like this, we are so fortunate that every one person in 6 is an Indian. Every one person on the planet is an Indian. Can you imagine the power we have? The power is in our hands, and the astrologer will, I'm sure, tell me that we need to utilize it better. But ladies and gentlemen, what Sureshji does every year is a tribute to your hard work, to all your team that work tirelessly to bring this together, but to also the marathon runners who raise so much money to help others. And Ashok, my husband, has a really close connection with Rajasthan because in his work in India, he's also supporting 30-odd thousand tribal kids to get an education. And remember, education is the route to all potential. So when I look at what he does, I'm in awe inspired by my husband because actually we have zero ties apart from the fact that it's in India and we are Indian by background. So thank you all very much for coming. I hope you have a wonderful time celebrating. And from all of us here in Parliament, congratulations to each and every one of you.
You know, we are very fortunate that we are in the Mother of Parliament celebrating our own event. This was not possible just 77 or 78 years ago. That just shows how far the Sanatanis have come. We came to this country. Somebody said we came to this country with nothing. And I corrected that person. I said we came into this country with the value system which our ancestor gave us, which is over 5,000 years ago. Baroness Verma has already spoken to you and given her feelings about being Indian and being the most respectable community in the world. It is no coincidence that India is rising and Indians are rising outside the world because of our ancestors who gave us the value work hard, loyalty, service to humanity. And this is how we have progressed. Suresh Mishra ji, I commend his work. He works very hard to recognize unsung heroes. There are some who are already recognized, but there are lots of people who are not recognized. Celebrating success is very important. It inspires other people and it encourages the person who has achieved success to go the extra mile. So therefore, I like to share my congratulations with you who have been recipient of the recognition by the Bharat Gaurav. And under Prime Minister Modi ji, India is developing leaps and bounds. From number 10, 11 economy to number 4, soon to be number 3 in the next couple of years, just shows the strength of our leadership. Prime Minister Modi ji has a remarkable team. They each one works very hard and bring us honor. Whether it's the Jaishankar, the Foreign Minister, whether the Home Secretary Amit Shah ji, who had the courage to remove Article 370 and made India equal. India was not equal until Article 370 was removed because there were some citizens getting a better deal than the rest of us. So that takes a courage. Then you have Rajnath ji. He just signed a deal with America for another 10 years of defense cooperation. If you want to gauge the popularity of a leader, then you have to see how that leader is respected by two rivals, Trump and Putin. There's only one man who is respected by these two rivals, and that's Prime Minister Modi. That is the skill of diplomacy that our Prime Minister has. Ladies and gentlemen, all I can say finally, we suffered thousands of years when we were not united. You all know the history. Invaders came, they kept us under their rule. They tried to destroy our Sanatani Sabhyata, civilization, but they did not succeed because our civilization is so strong, so ancient. We were ahead in every field, whether it's a architect, you just have to see a 2,000-year-old Hindu mandir to see how did they make it. Mathematics, science, medicine, astronomy, Ayurveda, we were all ahead. But we made one mistake, we were not united. We were divided and one by one foreigner came and ruled us. So the moral of the story is, for the success of India, you have to remain united. There are still some people who want to divide us. We have to unite against them. That the success of India is only possible if India is united. So therefore, I won't take too much time, but I'd like to congratulate the team. I just saw my mentor, Varinder Sharma ji. We are indebted to him for his contribution to public life. He had only done 50 years, and he's got another 50 years to go. We also are Sunil Chopra ji, the first mayor of Sadak. Yes? So each one of you have contributed to Mother India and brought honors. And that is what we should be doing. Each one of us are ambassador. Ambassador for our mother country. We must do what we have to do. And I just pray that you keep coming here each and every year, and each one of you bring glory to your family, to your community, and to your country. Jai Hind.
For the last many years to welcome the guests from India and all my colleagues, Baroness Andy Verma, myself, many other colleagues who could not be here, always feel honored to welcome and build that relationships between India and Britain. Lot has been said, and more can be said. But looking at the time, I feel that it will be unfair to hold you because we want the photographs taken as well. But two things I always say, and I believe it in practical terms, that these awards are the most important part of our two countries' relationships. Bringing the two nations together through recognizing the contributions made by individuals and the society in both sides. The contributions are not individual, it's a collective. And I believe that collective approach brings us more, which Ramiji has said, to unite us in our thoughts. We work together as Indians always done it, though we are Indian, British as well, because we left India many years ago, though in our heart and mind, India has not disappeared. As somebody have said it, that you can take the Indian out of India, but you can't take India out of India. So that's what's happening to all of us. But we are, as we welcome you all here, but we wanted to leave that legacy for not only our generation. We want to leave this legacy for the future generations, so that relationship not forgotten. In the past, whatever happened historically, we had Indians left India, forgotten India, but now coming back. And I don't want to see that gap between the future generations and India and the Indians. And that's what will be with these awards. We keep that relationship open. We recognize each other's contribution, and we believe, and that's why we are here this evening and all the time, and believe it that these ways we can contribute to the economy of the world. We are not, as somebody said, I can't speak Sanskrit. Somebody has tested my Hindi last night, but still I feel it that I failed that test and I don't want to try again. But we all believe that Indians, particularly our Sanatani faith people, don't talk about individuals. They don't talk about me or I. We talk about us. We talk everybody united in that. Whenever we want peace for all. If we want the prosperity, we want the prosperity for all. So that's where I believe that these relationships will bring us together. I congratulate each and everyone who honored this evening. And I like to congratulate and thank Suresh Mishra ji and the team for organizing and giving us the opportunity every year so that we can build up those and carry on those relationships for the future. Enjoy the evening and God bless you all. Thank you.
I'm really honored to receive this very special award today. So, you would like to know what is VOCA and why VOCA? So, VOCA is like one world, one family, is the vision of VOCA, the mission of VOCA to make the world a happier, better, and a safer place. It's a platform for everyone. Today I saw these two young children who's been awarded. It's amazing. So, I would love to have like any talent, any skilled children, any child to be on my platform. Maybe I'll connect with them later. So VOCA is a OTT app which is for children 2 to 12 years old, and it's a safe, soft manoranjan, and it's much needed, I think, in today's world, where you can leave your child with the screen. Though screen is not like everyone's choice, but if they have to be, that's the best thing, where you'll feel like safe. It's very entertaining. It's very educating. It's been officially launched. VOCA has been officially launched 6 months back, and to our great surprise, that today over 10 million people viewing this. It's a free app so that it reaches the masses and into the interiors, the villages, and to all. And it's a very easy app where you don't need to struggle too much, and people are just loving it. So I'm very happy for that. VOCA is my legacy, my gift to the children worldwide. I've lived always in a joint family, and I feel that the joint family system was one of the very good system which I really miss today. And because of the joint family system where we had our elders who would always guide us, who would help us in our anytime we had any difficulty, they always had a solution. So I feel joint family. We've been talking about everybody's here talking about the value system, the culture, which is India, which is like VOCA now. And I'd love to, through VOCA, I want to give these messages that, the app is about all that, where once you see the app, you're with it. There'll be a lot of values, value-based stories, value-based films, and it's like a wholesome. Anything you can think of is there for the child, and it's all very safe and soft. I'd like to give a tribute to our past and present elders because I think they are the people. Because of them, we are here today. We've learned we are cultured. We have our value systems in place. So I've just penned down a small poem which I'd love to narrate in front of you. हमारे पूर्वजों को नमन हमारा, मन में प्रश्नों का पिटारा। कहाँ गए वो महान शख्स, थे जो हमारे सर्वरक्षक, जिनमें थी अटूट शक्ति। जब कोई संघर्ष होता, मस्तक पर उनके कभी कोई शिकन शिकस्त न होती। कितने संपूर्ण थे वो, पानी जैसे बहते थे, किसी के अच्छे बुरे समय में हर वक्त बस जुड़े रहते थे। कर्मयोगी थे, धर्मयोगी थे, मगन काम में रहते थे, पर परिवार या घर समाज का ख्याल हमेशा रखते थे। सपरिवार भोजन होता था, सपरिवार भोजन होता था और बातों का दौर होता था। कहाँ गए वो महान सख्त, बेखौफ होकर जीते थे, सबकी सुनते और समझते और सुझाव भी देते थे। कोई शिकायत न कोई हिकायत, बस नरमी ही रहती थी। उनकी हर बातों में कुछ सीख एक नई होती थी। कहाँ गए वो महान शख्स, कितना कुछ सिखा गए। जिंदगी जीने का मकसद और मायने बता गए। काश सब वैसा ही रहता, काश सब वैसा ही रहता। आज न यूं हम बिखरे होते, अपने घर और परिवार को एकजुट बनाकर चलते। अब दुनिया आगे बढ़ी, नए शोध नई खोज हुई, पीछे ना रह जाऊं मैं, हर सोच एक होड़ हुई। इसी होड़ में खो गए, नींदें भी कम हो गई। अपना ले एक बीच का रास्ता, समझौतों से जोड़े रिश्ता। थोड़ा खुद को हम बदलें और बदले वो खुद को जरा सा, शायद फिर कुछ रंग बदलेगा, जीने का कुछ ढंग बदलेगा। इन्हीं विचारों के आंगन में अकेली मैं बैठी रही। कहाँ गए वो महान शख्स, उन्हें सोचती मैं रही। कहाँ गए वो महान से शख्स, कहाँ गए वो महान शख्स। थैंक यू।
भारत माता की। जब हम सब लोग राष्ट्रगान गा सकते हैं इस पार्लियामेंट में, तो भारत माता की जय तो बोलनी चाहिए। आज के समारोह के मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में हमारे बीच में विराजमान हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड्स बैरोनी संदीप वर्मा जी, हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड्स रमी रंजन जी, 5 बार के लगातार सांसद मेरे सम्मानीय बड़े भाई वीरेंद्र शर्मा जी। अभी हमने सबने जो महाकुंभ देखा प्रयागराज में, जिसमें देश दुनिया के 68 करोड़ लोगों ने भाग लिया, ऐसे महाकुंभ को आयोजित करने वाले और इसमें प्रमुख भूमिका निभाने वाले मेरे भाई राकेश के शुक्ला जी, जिनको देश के प्रधानमंत्री महोदय प्रयाग पुत्र कहते हैं, ऐसे मेरे भाई राकेश शुक्ला जी। अमेरिका से पधारे हुए संस्कृति युवा संस्था के यूएस चैप्टर के चेयरमैन अंकुर राणा जी। आज सम्मानित हुई वो सभी प्रतिभाएं जिन्होंने मेरे सामने विराजमान किरण अग्रवाल जी, जो हिंदुस्तान जिंक की पूर्व चेयरमैन है और साथ साथ वेदांता ग्रुप के माध्यम से सामाजिक गतिविधियों में अग्रणी भूमिका निभाती हैं। साथ ही उन्होंने एक नया इनोवेशन किया बोका के माध्यम से, और उसमें बच्चों को कहानियाँ सुना रही हैं। ये दादी अम्मा का रोल भी निभा रही हैं, तो पेरेंट्स का रोल भी निभा रही हैं, ऐसे मेरी भाभी किरण अग्रवाल जी। सुनील खेतपालिया जी, जो चेन्नई में बहुत बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन समाज सेवा के क्षेत्र में आगे रहते हैं। इन्होंने संकल्प ले रखा है कि मुझे 1 करोड़ गायों को हर रोज़ गौचारे की व्यवस्था करनी है, ऐसे सुनील खेतपालिया जी। प्रवीण चंदन जी, जो देश में एक बड़ा चैन चला करके आज बहुत बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं। रंजू एलक जी, जो हजारों होटलें, मेरिट ग्रुप की जितनी भी होटल्स हैं, उनकी साउथ एशिया की चेयरमैन है, ऐसी मेरी बहन रंजू एलक जी। माधव अगस्ती जी सामने विराजमान है। देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी के कपड़े भी ये बनाते हैं, तो मोहन मागोत जी के कपड़े भी ये बनाते हैं, राष्ट्रपति के कपड़े भी ये बनाते हैं। तो ये अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी प्रतिभा है। आज 80 साल के होने के बाद भी हमारे बीच में आए कि राकेश जी स्वास्थ्य खराब हो गया था इनका, कल पहुंच नहीं पाए। 2 बार मैंने इनसे आग्रह किया कि आप मत आओ, कि आपका स्वास्थ्य खराब है। इन्होंने कहा नहीं, मैं आऊँगा, कार्यक्रम का आनंद लूँगा। ऐसा हमारे बीच में आशीष मित्तल जी, हरवी नाट जी, मुनीश चौहान जी, संजय कनानी जी, राजवीर सिंह जी, वो सारी प्रतिभाएं, CS शारदा जी, तोषनीवाल जी, सेतिया जी, वो सब प्रतिभाएं जो आज देश का नाम रोशन कर रही हैं, जिन्होंने हमारे देश को आगे बढ़ाया है और जिनके कारण हमारे देश को गौरव मिलता है। वरुण सेठ जी पीछे विराजमान हैं। आप सभी प्रतिभाएं हमारे देश की वो प्रतिभाएं हैं जिनके कारण हमारे देश की पहचान है। आज हमारा देश आगे बढ़ रहा है, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है, लेकिन आप लोगों के कारण बढ़ रहा है, क्योंकि आप लोग परिश्रम कर रहे हैं। आपने पहचान दी हमारे देश को, मैं आप सबका अभिनंदन करता हूँ, स्वागत करता हूँ और यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग जिस प्रकार से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, आने वाली युवा पीढ़ी को भी एक मार्गदर्शन दें। उनको भी एक नया रास्ता दिखाएँ कि वो कैसे काम करके आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। आपकी छोटी-छोटी स्टोरियाँ लोगों की जानकारी में मिलनी चाहिए कि आप लोगों ने कैसे परिश्रम करके अपनी पहचान बनाई, क्योंकि संस्कृति युवा संस्था का एक ही उद्देश्य है कि देश की विदेश की जो प्रतिभा है वो आगे आनी चाहिए। साथ ही लोगों के अंदर फिटनेस के प्रति अवेयरनेस बढ़नी चाहिए। उसके लिए हम हर साल मैराथन आयोजित करते हैं। एक स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम भी हमने चालू कर रखा है और एक और संकल्प अभी पिछले दिनों हमने लिया है कि देश में बड़ी गौशालाओं का निर्माण भी हम लोग करेंगे और उसमें भी आप सब लोग आगे सहयोग कीजिए, आगे बढ़िए और देश को आगे बढ़ाइए। कार्यक्रम लंबा चल चुका है, मैं अपनी बात को यहीं विराम दूंगा। आप सभी से आग्रह करूंगा, सौमिता जी बताएं कैसे करना आगे। सभी लोग एक कंबाइंड फोटो हम लोग खिंचवाएंगे और उसके बाद में सब लोग भोजन भी साथ साथ करेंगे। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
All the award winners, congratulations to all of you. This is a great honor. And House of in British Parliament, we are here, and we are celebrating your dedication, contribution, accomplishments, and your hard work. Is not only inspiring but also sets a benchmark for others to follow. This recognition is well deserved, and I hope it encourages you to even aim higher in your life. Thank you very much once again. I would like to thank Suresh Mishra ji and all supporters of Sanskriti Yuva Sansthan. And I have a request to Mishra ji also, please. Because Suresh Mishra ji, I have a request. You next time, I would request, please, we organize this event in US. As we have always say, and I always requested you, once we have done in UN actually, I'm associated with this program with Sanskriti Yuva Sanstha from last 8 years. And I'm very thankful to the organization, the great work they are doing. The contribution to the community and society is a great effort. Thank you very much once again. And Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं मनोज मुंतशिर शुक्ला। आज मुझे संस्कृति युवा संस्था और पंडित सुरेश मिश्रा की ओर से भारत गौरव सम्मान दिया गया। मैं इस वक्त हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स में हूं, ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट में। बहुत गर्व मुझे हो रहा है कि आज ऐसी विभूतियों के बीच में, देश के जाने माने लोगों के बीच में मुझे सम्मानित किया गया। मैं भारत गौरव अवार्ड्स को, संस्कृति युवा संस्था और पंडित सुरेश मिश्रा को बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट को दिया जाने वाला भारत गौरव सम्मान संस्कृति युवा संस्था की तरफ से दिया जाने वाला एक ऐसा सम्मान है जो लोग देश में और दुनिया में अपने अपने क्षेत्रों में बेहतर काम कर रहे लोगों को चिन्हित करने के बाद उनको संस्कृति युवा संस्था की तरफ से सम्मान दिया जाना वाकई एक बहुत ही नेक कार्य है। इस सम्मान के द्वारा भारत के प्रतिभाओं को चिन्हित करके सम्मानित करना, इसके लिए मैं संस्कृति युवा संस्था और उसकी पूरी टीम को, विशेषकर सुरेश मिश्रा जी, सौम्या बिट्टा जी, सबको बहुत बधाई लेता हूँ और भविष्य में भी वो ऐसे कार्यक्रम करते रहे, ऐसी हमारी सब कामना है।
देखिए, जिन लोगों ने देश दुनिया में भारत का नाम रोशन किया है, ऐसी प्रतिभाओं को आज लंदन की ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट के हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स में भारत गौरव के अलंकार से सम्मानित किया गया। और आज सबसे बड़ी बात, देश के ऐसी प्रतिभाएं सामने आई जिन्होंने अपना एक अलग मुकाम प्राप्त किया है। जीरो से हीरो तक का एक नया सफ़र जिनका रहा है, ऐसी प्रतिभाओं को पिछले 12 वर्षों से संस्कृति युवा संस्था भारत गौरव के अलंकार से सम्मानित कर रही है। अमेरिका के यूनाइटेड नेशन में हो, चाहे लंदन की पार्लियामेंट में हो, चाहे फ्रांस की सीनेट में हो, इस कार्यक्रम का एक ही उद्देश्य है कि ऐसी प्रतिभाएं सामने आनी चाहिए जिन्होंने अपने दम पर अपना काम किया है और अपना नाम किया है। उन सभी को आज भारत गौरव के अलंकार सम्मानित किया गया। भविष्य में कार्यक्रम अनवर जारी रहा।
It's fantastic to be here. Congratulations to all the award winners of the Bora Bharat Awards. And actually, it's wonderful to see so many women receiving the award. And I want to make sure that next year we get even more women as being recipients. Congratulations to everyone. Fantastic for being here. And well done to everyone. Thank you very much.
It's a great honor and a privilege to be with this award ceremony, to bring India, Indians and the British and British Indians together, to have a legacy for the future. That is what the awards celebrates that. awards gives us the opportunity to bringing the two countries together to bring peace and prosperity. And I congratulate the organizers for giving us the opportunity to celebrate, but also give the commitment for the future so that we can bring the peace and prosperity for not for few, but for more. Maximum contribution to the world economy and the world equality. I congratulate and wish them every success in the future.
आदरणीय सुरेश जी मिश्रा साहब, तो आपका बहुत बहुत आभार। आपने हमें भारत गौरव के लिए चयनित किया, इसके लिए मैं आज बेहद खुशी हूँ और आपका धन्यवाद आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। आप इसी तरह हर साल ये शासन के काम करते रहे। धन्यवाद।
मेरे को भारत गौरव अवार्ड ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट में मिलने की अहम खुशी, मैं इसके लिए तहे दिल से ही संस्कृति युवा संस्थान को दिल से आभारी हूँ कि उन्होंने मेरे काम में लेखा समझा और अवार्ड ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट में दी। थैंक यू सो मच।
Hi, my name is Varush Shiri. I'm from Mumbai. I want to thank Mishra ji for inviting me over here for Bharat Gaurav Awards in UK at House of Commons. It's been a real pleasure to be given this opportunity and support guys for the high international award given ever. So I'm very, very grateful, and I wish all the success for future versions as well. And thank you so much. Really lovely time be here, being producer as a team guest, and it is a nice opportunity. We look forward to being the leading role person. They're part of the watch to even scale to really well. Thank you.
I'm Ajit Narayan, live in London. What a fantastic event, right on the bank of the Thames. Lovely day, lovely building. And thanks so much to Mishra ji for arranging this. Thank you.
Really honored to receive the Bharat Gaurav Award. I'm very, very impressed, very humbled too. And I've listened to what everybody else or the other awardees have achieved. It really makes me feel proud, also very respectful. And would really, really admire the organization because it's not an easy act to put this together. The fabulous stuff. मिलने के बाद मैं बहुत खुश, मुझे हम लोगों का सपोर्ट करेगी और सबसे बड़ा मेरे बीवी को मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट रहा है, जिसकी वजह से 56 साल से ये बिजनेस टेलीविजन कर रहा हूँ और मैंने 350 पिक्चर्स कर चुका भी, इसका श्रेय उसको जाता है और इस भारत गौरव पुरस्कार में मैं खुश हूँ।
Good evening, Namaste, Om Shanti. It's a privilege to receive this award. The work that we've done so far in UK, it all started with thoughts whereby we said we need to inspire individuals for upskilling and reskilling in the healthcare sector. So with the help of the Brahma Standard Foundation, and it is really an honor to bring that in the up to fruition, whereby you can see medication are turning universally in terms of development, self-development, development. It is really a great honor to receive this in recognition in the work that we've done.
नमस्ते सभी को। योग कौशलम, भगवान कृष्ण कहते हैं, excellence is in the duty, not in the reward. Thank you very much Bharat Gaurav Award को to organize this event at the House of Lords and House of Commons, the epitome of the British Parliament and the epitome of the British democracy. Thank you very much to Suresh Mishra ji, Somita for collaborating all of this and for honoring me with this award. This award is not just for me. This award is not just for me. It's for every boy and girl from India, from a small village of India, who had a dream. Who has a dream to become someone, who has a dream to travel somewhere, who has a dream to make India proud. From the dusty streets of India, of my own village, to standing here in the uniform, I feel very proud as the only Indian-born surgeon in the British Army. Thank you for recognizing that. My mission in the British Army is to recognize our ancestors, the British Indian soldiers who fought in the World War I and World War II. 1.5 million Indians fought in World War I. 2.5 million fought in World War II. They gave a lot of sacrifice. They lost their lives. They lost their journeys. They lost their everything for a country that don't belong to them. 17,000 of them received gallantry awards. To recognize them, to remember them, I'm doing the 1,000 kilometer walk. And to recognize my walks, thank you to the Bharat Gaurav Awards. Thank you very much to everyone. Thank you very much to Suresh Mishra ji for recognizing my challenge. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Namaste. I'm Dharmayasa from Bali, Indonesia. So happy to be here, and thanks to Pandit Sri Suresh Mishra ji and team for the Bharat Gaurav. I'm receiving this by heart in the name of my father, because he sold his very good land and sent me to India to learn Vedic teachings in Sanskrit. Thank you very much again for the work. Thank you.
I'm just so elated, pleased, excited and honored to be receiving this award, especially at the British Parliament for the Commons. What's special about this award is it recognizes your past work, but today when I leave these premises, I am most excited about the work that I'm going to do to further all the efforts that you have done so far. So it's exciting times and very, very inspirational times. It's been beautiful to hear the stories of other awardees, and I'm so inspired to continue to work hard to make this world a better place. Thank you. I'm so excited and so elated today to receive this award, the Bharat Gaurav. Sometimes I wonder, what did I do right in my life to get this acknowledgement from my country and from the people of my country? And I really feel so humbled, so grateful to my whole family who supported me in this journey, especially my husband Mihir and my daughter Diva. And I'm so grateful to the organizers of the Bharat Gaurav Award for giving me this opportunity to present myself to the world. And I'm thrilled and excited. I'm also full of energy to do more in the coming years. Thank you very much.